What do you think of the transplant?
I'm quite pleased. I think the hairline is perfect. It's about as good as I could have hoped for.
I'm going to introduce Jim to you. He's 42 years old, and 5 months ago to this date, he had a FUE, follicular unit extraction procedure, 2,500 grafts to the anterior scalp. What I'm going to show you now is the initial pre-op photographs. You can see here's basically a Norwood 5 pattern, and we were able to cover the interior 1/3 to 1/2 of the scalp. Let's look at the hairline. It's very natural. It's good density. Yeah. Turn. Turn to your right, please. Chin down, please. And this is the part of the transplant, and this merges with his existing pre-transplant natural hair. And this is the transplanted hair. Look straight again, please. So what we have is at 5 months a very good response with a natural hairline, a good density, and certainly the hair merges well with his hair in the mid-scalp and the crown. What do you think of the transplant?
I'm quite pleased. I think the hairline is perfect. It's about as good as I could have hoped for in terms of the hairline. So I'm quite pleased, and how the recovery has gone, and yeah, quite happy.
And you said that the hair began to grow back at what, month 2?
Around 2.5 months, I started to see all the shedded hair. There was activity again, and by about month 3, it was pretty clear that things were headed in the right direction.
And you've been applying Rogaine.
I have been twice a day.
Very good, but no finasteride.
No,
No Propecia.
just minoxidil.
And just minoxidil.
That's right.
Have other people noticed? Have you had any comments? What's your feeling about the whole hair transplant?
Well, given the state of things, I don't head out very much, but I got some like I do Zoom calls through work all the time, and when I took my hat off for the first time in a while, my coworkers kind of mentioned, "Wow, that looks pretty good." So I was quite pleased with that. So it just was reassuring, and what I was already thinking anyway. So yeah, it's been positive.
And the clinic and the doctor and the staff?
Amazing. Very pleased. They took great care of me, and made sure they had my best interest in heart. I didn't feel like I was just a number in the room. I felt like I was like we were on the same team, is how I'll put it. That's what it felt like.